In this episode of Finance for 20s, I'll be sharing with you the 9 valuable money tips that changed my life in my 20s. Now, over the last 3 years, I've experienced a significant growth in my finances, and it all didn't just happen. It happened because of some steps I followed, and I'll be sharing everything with you guys in this video. Before we go on, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are new here, please like this video. Thank you. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first one is read personal finance books. Now, I started reading personal finance books in 2020, and it's one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. Now, over the last 3 years, I've read almost 10 personal finance books, and reading personal finance books can be life-changing for different reasons. Personal finance books can provide you with valuable knowledge and insight on managing money, investing, budgeting, and more. Now, these books often emphasize the importance of mindset and changing your relationship with money. From these books, I've been able to get inspiration and motivation to take action towards my own financial goals. I can also do the same. And lastly, personal finance books often highlight common financial mistakes, and these books offer practical advice on how to avoid them. And already, I have a video on the 6 personal finance books that you can read to help you become rich in your 20s. The link to the video will be in the description below. Now, the second money tip that changed my life is creating a budget. Now, this is one thing a lot of people underrate so much, and it annoys me. Now, a lot of people don't have a budget because they think it's not necessary. Now, I was also like that some years ago until 2021 when I finally decided to work with a budget for my money, and I saw positive growth in my finances. I was able to identify the unnecessary things I was spending money on, and I was able to allocate my money accordingly, and I was able to also manage my money properly. Now, in case you don't know what a budget is used to record your income and how much you make from all your sources of income. It also tracks your expenses and how much you spend on each one. Now, the goal of a budget is to help you save more money, to help you spend your money wisely, and to achieve your financial goals. So if you don't have a budget at all, I will advise that you go on the Google Sheets app on your phone. You'll find a monthly budget tracker that you can use for your budget, or you can download different budget tracking apps on your phone. Now, the third money tip is to diversify your income. Now, when I started making money from crypto trading in 2019, I never bothered about looking for more ways to make money until the middle of 2020. And this was when I started looking for more ways to make money. And since then to now, I've been able to create 8 sources of income for myself. I already have a video where I explained the whole story of how I was able to create 8 streams of income for myself in my 20s. Also, the link to that video will be in the description below. So always look for opportunities to create new sources of income for yourself is really, really important. The next money tip is to diversify your investments. Now, this is one important tip that has been part of me for a very long time. I love to diversify my investment and put my money in different assets. I have my money in low-risk investment and also in high-risk investment. And this is something you can also do to maximize your profit. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk and to increase your potential returns. For your investment, you can even consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto, high-interest savings account, index funds, and also other investment options. The next money tip that changed my life is investing in yourself. Now, I'm the kind of person who is so big on investing in yourself. Like I always say, investing in yourself is the best kind of investment you can ever do because only you can determine if the investment will do well or will do bad. Now, there are several ways you can invest in yourself. You can learn a new skill. You can improve on the skills you already have. You can read books. You can look for ways to increase your value to your clients, your customers, or even your audience. So start looking for ways to invest in yourself because it is the best thing you can ever do for yourself. The next money tip that changed my life in my 20s is setting financial goals and writing them down. Now, about 2 years ago, I posted something on my Instagram that if you have any goal you want to achieve tomorrow, next month, next year, or next 5 years, write it down. Write it on a paper, in your jotter, or your notes app. Write it anywhere you can easily see it, and it helps. Now, I didn't just post this because I wanted to. I posted it because it actually worked for me. So having financial goals and writing them down will really, really help you a lot. So start by defining your financial goals, whether it's saving for something, buying a house, or starting a business, having clear goals will provide you with a roadmap for your financial journey, and don't forget to write them down. The next one is to save and invest early. Now, when it comes to building wealth, time is your greatest asset, especially if you are still in your 20s. Start saving and investing as early as possible so as to take advantage of compounding growth. Now, don't wait till when you start making huge amounts of money before you start saving or investing. Start now and start small, because even small amounts can grow significantly over time. The next one is to network and collaborate. Now, if you are still in your 20s, ensure you try to have friends and build a strong network of like-minded individuals. Try to collaborate with others to share your knowledge, your resources, and opportunities, because surrounding yourself with successful people can really inspire and motivate you on your path to wealth. The last money tip I'll be talking about is to stay consistent. Now, without any doubt, this is one tip that really changed my life. I've always been consistent in everything I do. I've been consistent with saving and investing my money. I've been consistent with learning and showing up every day. And that is why I've been able to grow significantly. Now, building wealth also takes time and discipline. So stay focused on your financial goals, stick to your plan, and be persistent even during challenging times. And also remember that small steps taken consistently can lead to significant long-term results. So by following these 9 money tips I mentioned in this video, you can set yourself on the path of financial prosperity and even increase your chances of becoming rich in the future. So remember that building wealth requires patience, dedication, and smart decision making. So start implementing these money tips today and watch your financial future transform. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next Finance for 20s episode. Bye.